Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add step count widget on iPhone lock screen. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Then unlock it if you use a Face ID. Click on search. Now go ahead and search for pedometer plus plus. Once you search for it, then go ahead, download and install the application. Once you install the application, for you to add a step count to your iPhone lock screen, all you simply need to do is press and hold your iPhone lock screen, locate and click on edit at top left, click on add widget. Now scroll down the widget page until you get to the pedometer plus plus application. So just keep scrolling, click on it. Then here you should see different type of step count you can set, both with dark mode and then light mode. So go ahead and then select it. And after you selected it, go ahead and click on add widget. Then you should see the step count widget added to the home screen. Click on done at top right, and then that is it. You see that? So that is basically how to add step count widget on iPhone home screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.